Hello everyone. The topic for today is an important one, a very important one in case if you are in the field of network marketing. This comes from us, one of the leading successful software developers across the city with 100 plus victorious softwares made based on cryptocurrency and networking. So, let's cut down to the topic. Most people come to us asking how to calculate profit in the field of network marketing. How many people can be fit for levels? How many levels should we be setting in the software? And what's everyone's profit? How to calculate it? So on and so forth. The tedious task here is not explaining it to people, but it is to how many people. Now, that's where the traditional process we used before that may take up to 3 days of time and also a chargeable one. So, the solution to this dodging bullet problem and to cut down the expenses on the consulting, we have come up with an proactive solution which took up our 6 months of valuable time just to serve you people on the right purpose. We have designed an application which comes in surprisingly free of cost. Anyone can use it. This is basically a software which deals with all the three pillars types of MLM, which are binary, matrix, and unilevel separately. Today, we are going to look for binary MLM. What are all the levels you're gonna need, the people you're gonna get into, the commissions amount, both the downline and the commission you're gonna make, everything we'll look into it. Also, we'll understand about the various taxations behind it, including GSF, TDS, and everything. So, after this, it's your decision on starting your business on network marketing because no business can be done with loss. We'll also understand about the profit we provide to each individual member on grounds of their downline. Also, if you are into any ideas of stepping into network marketing, feel free to visit our channel and subscribe and get access to all our exclusive videos based on network marketing. So, let's jump into the binary calculator or technology or cutting edge innovation and your biggest helping hand in analyzing the profit of your networking business. First comes a product selling cost, where you determine the cost you're gonna sell your products at. Next comes the product's manufacturing cost. The boldest recommendation I give to people while determining the selling cost of the product is always use 1 is to 3 ratio. This may feel too much in terms of common people's viewpoint, but for someone who is into business and or with a wide business knowledge will understand this 1 is to 3 ratio is feasible and understandable. For example, if you look into food industry, most common example, a simple humble dosa takes 100 rupees as its price where we look into its manufacturing cost, it won't take up more than 10 rupees. So the ratio here is 1 is to 10. Because though the food comes under the essential part of human race, it takes 10x value to attain profit. Considering the expenses going for marketing, infrastructure, investment, branding, and labor cost. So that's why, for a minimum profit of business, we firmly prefer 1 is to 3 ratio. So let's get started. Keep your product selling cost at 3000 rupees, manufacturing cost at 1000 rupees. Next, the sponsor income, which when you refer or sponsor someone, you get it. So let's keep it at 10%. So whatever we give here, all these are customizable values. If you are in mind of purchasing this software from us, because we give access to domain admin where He takes care of it and makes any changes if needed at any time, anywhere. Then comes the matching ratio. This stands with options like 1 is to 1 and 2 is to 1. This can be explained in binary calculation. When you refer two people under you, it is 1 is to 1 and then you earn commission. 2 is to 1 comes when either one of your downline has to make one refer under them and then you earn commission. Most people prefer 2 is to 1 because it tightens the chain. Also, this is referred as successful method in the market. Also, the next option comes where you can decide your first pair and how it should be, whether it is 1 is to 1 or 2 is to 1. Also, you can customize your first pair based on your liking. Then we go to pair match income. We can decide how many percentage we need to do. Now, we get into capping amount. This is a wide topic. If we want to run through this, as it has various factors packed into it, we'll make it a separate video. This too has a ratio, so let's keep it. The recommended pair capping income is in the ratio of 1 is to 5. So, a product selling cost is 3000 rupees, so 1 is to 5 ratio comes to 3000 into 5, 15,000 rupees. Now, we'll get into taxations. TDS tax like 10%, GST tax as 10%. For level, as binary MLM can have unlimited levels, we'll keep it to 15 as of now. Now let's look into the chart. It took now less than 15 seconds. So now you need to understand the worth of it. And we have shrunken the tedious 3 days process to 15 seconds of it. Now you could have guessed and analyzed our knowledge and strength behind this. So whenever you go for a software development company, not us or anywhere you go, a golden advice from us. Please go with any company which has good experience in the market. The main disadvantage people consider when it comes to network marketing is they lack enough knowledge before spitting the bad examples. The people often generalize the problems without looking into the actual reason for the failures. If you are into us, we produce demos, live response videos, also other demos. We also provide knowledge through our 3 YouTube channels. Also, we provide personal consultations too. You can reach out to us through our channel or our personal contact. Now, let's look into the chart. So, with the given values, the total members for 15 level has come down to 32,767, and the product manufacturing cost is 3 crore 27 lakh 67,000. The selling cost at 3,000 has come to a 9 crore 83 lakh and 1,000 rupees. Then the GST charge, which is 10%, so 98 lakh 83,000 rupees. And now let's look into the pair matching, which has 16,383 pairs. The pair match income is 5 crore 11 lakh 18,000 and something. So the sponsor income is 98 lakh amount. So the total income including sponsor income and pair match income is 6 crore. We'll take total capping amount because this will reduce your amount going for downline as told previously. So now it is 2 crore 76 lakh 1,800, which is saved by capping. Total user income has come down to 3 crore 33 lakh 46,320 rupees, and the total TDS of 10%, which is calculated as admin charger, has come down to 33 lakh 34,632 rupees. After all this, total user income is 2 crore 1 lakh and 81,000. So the total selling cost has been 6 crore 55 lakh 34,000 and the company profit is 4 crore 53 lakh 52,412 rupees. So now it is understandable that all the gimmicks made in the market about network marketing is true. Now with this given values, you can do your own calculations considering all your own values. So if you wish to work with us, get in touch with us, get in business with us. We offer you solutions within 15 days and with 3 months cost free support. With 1 year maintenance cost just at only 20%, come visit us, get your hands on network marketing from today. Thank you.